कंटेंट चाहिए हमें, राइट? इस दिन आपने जो ये पहना था वो कहाँ से है? Okay, that I'll make a different video. From where did I buy all the accessories? So I will tell you everything in detail, like what I wore on the different events of my sister's wedding. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very special because today I will answer all your questions जो आप सब ने इतने दिनों से, इतने महीनों से पूछा है कि इस दिन आपने जो ये पहना था वो कहाँ से है? Tell the name of your makeup artist, tell the store from where you bought it, and I was really bored and tired to just text each and every one of you कि ये यहाँ से है, ये यहाँ से है. So I thought, why not make a video? Content चाहिए हमें, right? When you are giving me content, I should definitely make a video on it. So here I am making a video on every detail, like मैंने क्या पहना था, उसके साथ क्या एक्सेसरीज मैंने एक्चुअली खरीदी थी, what was the price of all those items that I bought, makeup artist का नाम क्या है, was she good or was she okay, everything, each and every detail I would be mentioning in this video. So watch till end. Okay, let me start with the mehendi ceremony, which was on I think 21st of January 2025, and I wore a green color, a dark green color dress, not a dress but a drape sari, which I bought from Myntra, and it was around 1199 the price was at that point of time because some offer was going on, but now if you go there you will find the price to be 1999, that is around 2000. So yeah, that is it, and I will definitely give you the link in the description below so you can check it out. It was a beautiful piece. I can tell you, once you wear it, everyone will appreciate it because it has perfect fitting, it has perfect color for mehendi, and it looks perfect if you once you wear it. Okay, for the jewelry that I wore, that is the earring that I wore, it is from an Instagram page known as Jewelvati. Actually, I came across their page in the month of November, I think, and they had actually posted a orange color earring, and I was very much, in awe with the design. So I thought of texting them that, do you to customize actually? And they were like, yes. So I made a customized one earring from myself, and it is in the same color as my dress. So yeah, that's about what details you wanted. For the makeup, I did my makeup on my own. You can actually see it in my reels. I did it on my own. And anything else for mehendi? No. So we move on to the next day, that is 22nd of January 2025. That is the Sangeet day, of course. I wore a beautiful midnight blue color lehenga, which has a blouse, a skirt, and a dupatta, and it is work of sequins on it. The work of sequins on the lehenga especially is beautiful, and dupatta, it's a plain dupatta with a border. So it is from a store known as Shivisha Studio, Sivisha, Shivisha Studio, which is located in Bara Bazaar, Kolkata, and the price is around 14,000, I think. Yeah, 14,000. And for that day, the makeup artist is Preetha De. I will definitely give her Instagram ID, Instagram account details in the description below. You can check it out. And for the makeup and the hair, she only did it, and it was, I think, a 10 out of 10 for me because I never looked like that before. Next, we move on to 23rd of January 2025. That is Eyebrow Bhaat. For all those who are new to my channel or all those who don't know what is Eyebrow Bhaat, it is the day jab the bride to be, before being the bride, actually have food for the last time as a bachelor or as a spinster or as an unmarried woman, have their last lunch in their house, in the house of their parents. Like अपने मम्मी पापा के घर में before getting married, they have their last lunch, like as a spinster or as an unmarried woman. So that is eyebrow bhat. And it plays a very important role in every Bengali wedding. And the theme for eyebrow bhat, we had set a pink theme where everyone was wearing pink and it was very beautiful. So I wore a very beautiful color, baby pink color drape sari, in which there was a skirt, there was a blouse, and there was a attached dupatta with a skirt only, and there was a sleeveless long shrug, which is also designed. I did my makeup on my own, I did my hair on my own. So yeah, and yes, the dress that I wore was from Delhi. It's from an offline store. Okay, next, as we move on to haldi, the most, I think, this look is the most loved one. I don't know, but I am really glad that you all liked it. But I did not really expect that people will like it more than my my look on my sister's wedding day, like the night one and reception day. लोग इतना पसंद किए हल्दी लुक को. I'm like, oh great, thank you. So I was wearing a yellow colored sari, and it is from Shundori Goria Hat. I will mention every detail, like the location and everything, in the description below. You can check it out. The sari that I was wearing was yellow, of course, in color. The jewelry that I was wearing was from Eleanor. Even the, I'm sorry, I did not mention it. Even the eyebrow bhat jewelry that I was wearing, pink colored jewelry, it was from Eleanor. The Instagram page I would be mentioning in the description below, so check it out. The makeup for the haldi look I did on my own, but the hair was done by Preethadi. Okay, so next comes the wedding day. So I was wearing a very beautiful red color sari. The name of the sari is Georgette Banarasi with Jardosi work sari, and I bought it from Rangoli, which is located in Goria Hat. I will give the full address details in the description below, so check it out. And anything else? Yes, jewelry. The jewelry that I was wearing was gold jewelry. It's from Peach Chandra Jewelers. And anything else? No. Next, okay, move on to the reception day. That was on 26th of January 2025. And I was wearing a very beautiful lavender color gown. Of course, this is a dream dress that I had in mind actually before buying it, and I got the exact same dress I was dreaming of. So it's a dream come true dress, and it's very, very special to me because I have never worn something so beautiful and so, grand as that. Okay, I forgot to mention you the price of the sari. For the yellow sari that I was wearing on haldi, I don't actually remember the price, but it was around 8 to 9k. Yes. And for the price of the red sari I was wearing on the wedding day was, I think, 20k. Yes, 20,000 rupees. Okay. And for the reception day that I was wearing a lavender color gown, a very grand one, a very dream come true gown. And it's a very, very special gown for me. It's very expensive, I know, but yeah, it's something very, very dear to me. It was around 23 or 24k, and the jewelry I was wearing was from I think New Market. Yes, from New Market. Actually, I was not getting anywhere lavender colored stone jewelry, but I went to New Market to actually search for these jewelry. So I got something very beautiful as the earring that I was wearing. It's very pretty. It's a lavender colored earring with white stones on it also. So I bought it from there. So that's about it. I have mentioned everything, I think. Still, if you have any question regarding anything, like any detail you want to know, then you can definitely drop a comment in this video so that I can see it and address to all your questions and all your comments in the next video that comes up. In the next video, I will definitely come up with all the details that what sari my sister was wearing on which day, on which event, what is the price, what makeup artist, and everything. Every details I will tell you. For all the brides to be, please stay tuned, because the next video coming up is just for you all. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you did, you know the trend, right? You have to like, you have to share, and you have to subscribe. So first, thank you so much. We are a family of 6,000 followers, 6,000 subscribers, and I'm really grateful for it. And this video is only for you, so that you know what I was wearing, from where did I buy it. We will meet very soon. I will be coming up very soon with my next video. So stay tuned and take care of your lovely selves. Bye.